Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is part 9 of the Tamiya TRF104 Chassis kit. And today we're going to be working on steps 32, 33, and 34, which is to assemble the damper. Everything we need is going to be in the E-parts bag. So let's get this open and get started. Alright, looks like majority is going to be in this bag. Okay. Alright, some of these parts were stuck. Alright, so let's start right here. We're going to start with this top ring, and we're going to I believe it's this one. Yeah. We're going to squeeze this O-ring into there. I don't know if you can see that. So it goes into that groove right there. Make sure it's seated completely. And that's going to be screwed on to the bottom of the damper body. Since this is super tight, I'm going to put a little bit of O-ring grease in here and see if that will help me get this on. Okay, let's grab the shock shaft, and we're going to need the E-rings, so that should be in this bag right here. And there's one. And all we're going to do is to push this in. You can't do it by hand. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers. The trick is to try to cover it as much as you can so it can't fly away. And it should look like that. And then we're going to put the piston on and put the E-ring on the other side of that. Okay, simple as that. There we go. And now we're going to thread this through here. And we're going to put a little bit of damper oil on the shaft here. I'm just going to work off of a little piece of paper towel here. Okay, and then we're going to slip on, I believe this M11 should be this piece right here, and then the O-ring, which I'm going to drop in there. And then this cap right here. And then this is ME12. And this side is on the outside, like that. And then the bottom cap, just like this. Now we're going to put, let's see what that one looks like. It's just a screw that doesn't have a cap. Is there anything here? I think it's going to be this one. I think it's going to be this one right here. Okay, we're going to start with this. I'm going to find this N. And it's going to be, let's see, 1. So it should be this one right here. Now, I'm going to borrow a little bit of the okay, and then we're going to screw that into one of these pieces. And now we need to find A3. A3 is going to be this one right here. This side is going to meet up with this. All right, that was not difficult at all. And then this, I believe we're going to need to use the shock pliers. And then I'm going to twist this on. Okay, let me get the caliper. 11.5. Now we've got that done. We need to stand this up somehow. Okay, so I'm going to bring this in. I'm going to be able to stand up the damper here. It's going to be long enough. Yep. Then we're going to top that off. Up to the very top. And move this. Three times. And while we wait for the bubbles to escape, I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole on the top cap right here. Alright, so make sure you cut the right one. This is 8 right here. So this one's 8, and I'm going to punch a hole into this. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Comes in very handy. Okay, there's that. I'm going to put the bladder on like this. And then I'm going to put this in there. And screw this on. Now I'm going to put the spring on. And then V24. It's going to be this one. And this is going to be the perch. And it goes on like this. And then we're going to wind this down to get some compression on there. To make some adjustments. Okay, looks good. Alright, and that's it for today's video. We put together the only damper this kit needs. We took the parts from the E-parts bag and we did 32, 33, and 34. We are getting very close to the end of the kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching this as a member, I want to thank you for becoming a member. If you're watching this sometime in the future, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.